Now, in the lead-up to the general election, the PNP's Donovan Mitchell signaled his time in local government was coming to an end as he was fully focused on his parliamentary bid in Manchester Central. However, his tone shifted on the day. Well, the seat has so far been declared for the incumbent, the JLP's Rhoda Moy Crawford, for a second term as Member of Parliament. Here's more from Zor Grant.
At the last municipal corporation meeting in Mandeville, Mayor Donovan Mitchell announced it would be his final mayoral sitting as he prepared to contest the Manchester Central seat for the People's National Party. He expressed confidence that victory was certain.
This would ultimately be my final meeting of council because I know I'm going to win.
On another occasion, he went further, declaring that by the night of September 3, Manchester Central would be back in the hands of the PNP.
After the 3rd of September, or on the night of the 3rd of September, Central Manchester will have a PNP MP delivering to them quality representation that they're used to.
However, on election day, Mitchell struck a different tone. He told CVM News that should he lose, he would simply return to his mayoral duties, an apparent retreat from the confidence he projected earlier.
If I don't win, I go back to being the mayor of Mandeville.
Meanwhile, the JLP's Rhoda Moy Crawford, an incumbent, stood firmly in her belief she'd retain the seat, despite not securing any of the 4 divisions in her constituency in the local government elections. She spoke to CVM News early election day.
I don't feel pressured at all because I have done the work, and every single where that I go, the support and the love is just overwhelmingly positive. Very confident, extremely confident.
Zor Grant reporting for CVM News.
An item of breaking news just in. Incumbent Donovan Williams of the JLP has regained the Kingston Central seat on the final count. Williams posted the news on his social media, and the Director of Elections, Glaspole Brown, also confirmed the development. The final count sees Williams tallying 4,832 votes to Steve McGregor's 4,753, a difference of 79 votes. It now means the JLP has 35 seats to the PNP's 28. McGregor's team say they are contemplating escalating the matter to a magisterial recount. With reports the election season was largely peaceful, there's an appeal for Jamaicans to steer clear of political